Oh boy, we had another late frost, April 20th, and look at that. Some some of the leaves survived. A lot of them on this fig tree wilted. These are going to dry up pretty soon, and they're going to fall off, turn brown. It looks like the figs will be okay. Some of them, some not. This fig tree didn't take a hit, so it's more cold hardy. And this tree, the brown, no, this is another generic fig tree, took a hit. My grapes, some of them took a hit. And my persimmon tree, one of them took a hit. So yeah, this is what happens when you have a late frost after everything starts blooming, flowering. Yeah, but it'll make it. It's not as bad as it was last year.